Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and today we're gonna unbox the most affordable Zenfone right now, and it's the ASUS Zenfone Live L1. So don't get confused with the previous Zenfone Live, because this one is the L1 version, is the successor of that one. And first things first, let's talk about this specification. So the smartphone does pack a Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor. We got 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage. There's a 5 megapixel front camera and 13 megapixel rear camera, and of course we got a 5.5 inch of HD plus display. And yes, we got LTE here. So yeah, basically that's the specifications of the ASUS Zenfone Live L1. So let's check out what's inside the box, and let's check out the ASUS Zenfone Live L1. Okay, so let's open the box. There we go, the Zenfone Live L1. It's a really cool box. I like the pattern. Actually, I'm gonna review this one, not this one, because this one is really cool. Just kidding. Okay, so we have here the ASUS Zenfone Live's SIM card pin. There we go. User guide. And of course, we got here the smartphone. Okay, so we're gonna turn this one on. I'm gonna turn on this one. Okay. Okay, so before we proceed, there we go. So we got here the ASUS warranty information form. It's a QR code inside. There's the in-ear phones. There we go. Really cool in-ear phones, not just the normal earphones that you basically see on most smartphones. Then of course, we got here the charger, which is a 5.2 volts 1 ampere. Okay, so I was actually expecting that it would be a 5 volts 1 ampere charger, but it's not. It's 5.2 with 1 ampere. Well, 5.2 volts 1 ampere. Then of course we got here the micro USB to USB port. We're still not using Type-C because this one is really affordable. What's the price of this one? Well, the ASUS Zenfone Live L1 is priced at... Oh, I have to Google this one. The smartphone is priced at $5,995. Thank you, Google. Thank you, jamonline.ph. That's a really cool website. Okay, so I'm gonna set this one up first. So you can set up a pin or set up a face recognition. Actually, I'm gonna set up a face recognition right now. Register your face plus pattern. So no thanks. I'm gonna place my pattern first. Okay, so guys, we have here the ASUS Zenfone Live L1, and as you can see here, we got here an 18:9 display. It's actually 5.5 inch. Yes, it's 5.5 inch HD plus display, but as you can see here, well, the quality of the display isn't the best one, even at its price range. You could actually see that there's a little bit of discoloration when it comes to the angles, and you could easily notice that this one is HD plus and not full HD plus. You can see the pixel over here when you look at it. Well, it's not the best display even at its price range, but I wouldn't complain. It's affordable at $5,995. And then you can see here that we got the thin bezels over here below and the top. Again, 18:9 display. This one is perfect for those who want to browse their Facebook, their Twitter, which is on vertical mode. And then of course, it's perfect for gaming because this one has an 18:9 display, which means that it has a wider display when you play it on landscape. Again, this one, according to this one, it's running on Snapdragon 425 processor. That is a really decent processor, especially for an entry-level Android smartphone. It might not be as powerful as other Android smartphones at its price range, but you'll be sure that the Snapdragon 425 is a decent processor. It's actually optimized for most applications and games, and you wouldn't worry about applications that aren't running well on the processor or on the smartphone. So the back we got here again, I'm actually looking at the specifications. I'm looking at the 13 megapixel at the back and a 5 megapixel at the front. So the original Zenfone Live was actually focused on having a live streaming focused smartphone, but this one, it's more inclined on having an entry-level smartphone with, well, not so much focused now on the live streaming, but I'm actually pretty happy with what I got on the Zenfone Live L1. So as you can see here, we got here the Zen UI. It's it's pretty similar to other Asus smartphones. However, we lost the live beauty mode or the live beauty application, which is pretty weird. That's one of the most unique features of the Zenfone Live L1, Zenfone Live, and now we don't have that one on the L1. So I have here some figurines, which is from Nintendo. So I'm gonna use this one to take a photo using the Zenfone Live L1. There we go. Okay, so this my room is a little bit bright right now because I have two lights over here and over here. But as you can see here, well, I'm actually impressed with its camera. Well, again, we have the A3s at its price range, but I'm actually satisfied with its camera. And well, there's a little bit of noise at the background, but, oops, sorry. It's a little bit of noise over here, but nothing to complain about it. It's 5995. Okay, so yeah, you see the camera. So let's check out the selfie camera. See this regular camera. Okay, so I've used the selfie camera of the smartphone. So there's portrait mode actually on the front camera and also on the rear camera of the smartphone. However, the portrait mode isn't using the second camera because there's no second camera here. So it's actually software bokeh. So you can see that my shot here is, well, my skin is a little bit whiter here. And it doesn't have the perfect skin tones, but it will do. I mean, it's just fine for a 5995 selfies, smartphone for selfies. Again, it isn't the best one, but I actually like the portrait mode of this one. This one is almost on point when it comes to the bokeh. I'm actually pretty amazed with that one. But yeah, there's the selfie camera of the smartphone. Again, the Zenfone Live L1 is available at 5995. It's really affordable. And yes, it does feel cheap because of the plastic build compared to the Zenfone 5Q and the Zenfone 5. The plastic, micro USB, headphone jack, volume rocker, and the power button. But again, 18x9, 425 processor. I almost forgot the processor. I was about to say 450. It's 425 processor. Well, yeah, face unlock, no fingerprint scanner, but yeah, it's a portable smartphone. Don't expect too much from it. You'll get what you want from a 5995 smartphone. So yeah, I guess that's it for our unboxing of the Zenfone Live L1. This is a quick unboxing. So yeah, see you guys again on our next video. But don't forget to check out our Facebook page, facebook.com/jamonlineph, and also our groups, facebook.com/groups/jamonlineph, and also Twitter, Instagram, which is same, jamonlineph. So yeah, this is our unboxing of the Zenfone Live L1, so don't forget to like this video. See you guys again next time.